Alright, day 2 working on the trailer. The next step is to take paint thinner and run it on these bars to get rid of some of this surface stuff we have, and then I'm going to actually paint it with some Rust-Oleum, like refinisher for rusty pieces or whatever, just to protect it and keep it good to go. That's the goal for today. This is stuff we're using, guys. Rust-Oleum, Rust Reformer. It's probably a little more than I actually need for what we're doing, but it should seal those steel beams up and make them not rust anymore. So this is the finished product here. As you can see, they're cleaned off really well, as best we could get them clean. And then we went ahead and started spraying, and we're going to show you the finished product of the spray when we get that finished in the next clip. Pretty easy process. Didn't really take us all that long to get it going. Alright guys, so we have officially painted, spray painted, all of the inside, all the steel in the trailer. Even tried to get up in the crevices in the top just to make sure everything's kind of covered. And hopefully we'll have no more rust issues, or not any rust issues in the future. At least that's the grand plan. Next move is to actually flex seal the aluminum areas where the aluminum comes together. I'm going to be doing that next. I don't show a lot of action shots, but I really feel like seeing somebody paint something is kind of boring. Who wants to really see that? I know I don't. So I just show you, hey, this is what I'm going to do, and then the finished product, right? And I flex sealed all the joints where the aluminum plates overlap. And then after I did that, I actually used this DAP sealant on all the corners. I know it's nasty looking, but nobody's going to see it, so I'm really not too worried, right? And I just did a clean, fairly clean little layer in all these areas here, just to kind of seal it up. Now I found some really big holes over here in the side, and I filled them in as best I could, so you can't really see them anymore, but literally you could see the ground through that. It was pretty wild. And there's another flex sealed joint going up the wall, right? So that's it for today. If you guys have questions, concerns, or anything like that, feel free to hit me up. I'd be glad to answer any questions you might have. Until next time.